Pakistan battered by India. Terror hubs and key military installations destroyed. The terror state unable to face India's Pahalgam attack payback. It begged for a ceasefire, and here is more proof that Pakistan is facing multiple thrashing from India. Pakistan's former Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari revealed that Islamabad is open to extraditing terror masterminds like Masood Azhar and Hafiz Saeed, who top India's most wanted list.
The fact is, generation after generation, India and Pakistan have been trapped in conflict, historically over Kashmir.
Sure.
More recently over terrorism. The cases that we're having difficulty in prosecuting these individuals are the ones that are of interest to India, and there's a reason for that. It's because India is refusing to comply with certain basic elements that require those convictions to take place. If India is willing to be cooperative in that process, I'm sure there will be no hurdle in extraditing any individual of concern.
Soon after this, terrorist Hafiz Saeed's son, Talha Saeed, lashed out at Bhutto for bowing down to India.
आज हमारे सियासतदान उनके मुंह में जुबान दुश्मनों की हो और वो किसी भी पाकिस्तानी को दुश्मन के यानी हिंदुस्तान के हवाले करने की ऑफर्स करते फिरें। मेरे वालिद मोहतरम हाफिज मोहम्मद सईद हफिज़हुल्लाह के बारे में ये अंदाज और ये बातें इख्तियार की जाएं।
Even Imran Khan's party PTI rained fire on Bhutto and called him an immature political child. Bilawal Bhutto's remarks come just days after Defence Minister Rajnath Singh issued a stern warning.
पाकिस्तान के हक में यही बात होगी कि वह अपनी जमीन पर चल रही आतंकवाद की नर्सरी को अपने हाथों से उखाड़ फेंके। इसकी शुरुआत उसे हाफिज सईद और मसूद अजहर जैसे आतंकवादियों को भारत के हाथों में सौंपने से करनी चाहिए।
But can Pakistan be trusted? Or is it just a ploy to lure pressure, especially as India has launched multi-front strikes at Pakistan? Pakistan is facing water scarcity after India suspended Indus Water Treaty. Trade with India has also been stopped by the Modi government. And terror funding watchdog FATF has put Pakistan under scrutiny over terror financing. Pakistan is facing the heat, and Bhutto's statement is the proof. But can Pakistan government really crush its terror nursery? Lashkar-supported political party PMML has opposed Bilawal Bhutto Zardari's recent statement on handing over person of concerns to India. PMML is led by Hafiz Saeed's son, Talha. Pakistan has maintained that Hafiz Saeed is in government's custody and Masood Azhar may have fled Pakistan. Can the terror state be trusted to deliver India's top enemies, Masood Azhar, Hafiz Saeed, Dawood Ibrahim, Chota Shakil and Tiger Memon? Or is it just a ploy to hoodwink like always?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.